Padma Awardee doctors have written to Prime Minister Modi regarding the violence against doctors and health workers. This is the form of swift and decisive action needs to be taken against the perpetrators of this particular crime. A separate law needs to be promulgated as well to deal with violence against doctors and healthcare workers is the demand that has now been made in this particular letter. About 70 odd doctors have now written to the Prime Minister, all of whom distinguished in their field. All of them are Padma Awardees. They now want the Prime Minister's intervention to ensure the safety of healthcare professionals of doctors at their workplace is a demand that has been made across the country ever since we saw protests erupt as a fallout of the rape and murder of this trainee doctor in Kolkata. This has now put the focus back on the kind of facilities or the lack thereof that we see across hospitals for medical professionals, for healthcare workers. That's a demand that has now been reignited. The Indian Medical Association, remember, had also sought a similar response from the central government as far as promulgating a central law of safety is concerned. There were some provisions that were made to the Central Act after COVID-19, but that is not enough. The bill which remains in the draft stage needs to now be expedited. A central act for the safety and security of doctors at their workplace and medical staff at their workplace, the must and the need of the hour is the code that is now coming in. Arunima continues to be with us, getting us all those details.
Yes, and the doctors have often complained that they are harassed, they are attacked if a patient, I beg your pardon, dies on the doctor's table. Hospitals, and nurses are harassed, furniture is broken. One nurse, I think a few months ago, was thrown off the first floor of a hospital. But what has happened this time around is shocking. A rape, brutal I think that has really shaken the faith of the medical fraternity as much as it has shaken the faith of people. I want to keep you on these pictures that I'm getting to you from Kolkata as I speak to you about this. Justice for Arjun is utilize this opportunity. It's a distressing situation, but it is perhaps a wake-up call that law must be made. Laws which are kept in abeyance must now be fast-tracked. That is to doctors, nurses, people who work in hospital, so that they have some kind of a legal backing.